Hitman on the beat.
You wanna see if I get this dope? Play games cause he a hoe. Hey, fuck them bitch ass boys. That nigga roll. Play games cause he a hoe. Nigga play out in the flow. And that's for sure. You ain't stopping nothing, what you doing? You better chill out, get the business, little nigga. Murk you and everybody, bitch, I'm gon' pull a trigger. I tell them low top and hunt. I can't fuck with them niggas. It's up though, and then it's stuck up. Man, what's up with them niggas? You ain't stopping nothing, what you doing? You better chill out, get the business, little nigga. Murk you and everybody, bitch, I'm gon' pull a trigger. I tell them low top and hunt. I can't fuck with them niggas. It's up though, and then it's stuck up. Man, what's up with them niggas? Out the window with the stick screaming, what's up with them niggas? He play games, we run them down. I'm trying to fuck with them niggas. You a hoe, I'm trying to see what's up with them niggas. I let it blow into the face, you know we clicking them triggers. Hey, y'all, carbons, we saucy, do not did it, we don't play. We thuggin', we leaving niggas shitty by the bed in the trash. We tryna leave him missing on his ass with a gate. We shoot you ain't stopping nothing, what you doing? You better chill out, get the business, little nigga. Murk you and everybody, bitch, I'm gon' pull a trigger. I tell them low top and hunt. I can't fuck with them niggas. It's up though, and then it's stuck up. Man, what's up with them niggas? You ain't stopping nothing, what you doing? You better chill out, get the business, little nigga. Murk you and everybody, bitch, I'm gon' pull a trigger. I tell them low top and hunt. I can't fuck with them niggas. It's up though, and then it's stuck up. Man, what's up with them niggas? Make them verses, get it in. You better not spin high. I'm worried, man, entertain them in the game, it's in the wind. I was taught to train and let it blow.
Yo, what's good, everybody? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Diamond fucking Hove. I'm back on my shit, and I'm back on this shit now. Look, I've been going for a minute with my 97 offensive minded wing. You feel me? Small forward. I believe he's 6'7". I'm gonna get into all that when I'm gonna touch everything in this video. I'm gonna touch the animations. I'm gonna touch the jump shots. I'm gonna show y'all literally everything that makes my offensive minded wing. This is my Carmelo Anthony build. You feel me? He wasn't 97 overall, but I took a couple L's in a wreck. Like I think like damn near like 3 straight. So took my overall down. But I think I'm like 97.7 into my 98 overall. So you gonna see, and I'm gonna drop a video once he's 98 overall because that's when he unlocks his full potential at 98 overall. But we're gonna get straight into it right now. We're gonna start with the progression. You see my points is 100%. You feel me? I got 800,000 fans, 62% teammate chemistry. Fuck them niggas. And I averaged 52.6. You feel me? So we're gonna get straight into the progression so I can show y'all my attributes. Now I am 97 overall, so mind you, I have +2 on my attributes. So if you want to just make this build in general or just get to 95, look at every stat right here and just -2, which is not really nothing crazy at all. But as of right now, at 97 overall, I have an 81 close shot, 79 driving layup, a 79 driving dunk. Y'all can read the rest, but I'm just naming the most important stuff. So the close shot, the layup, and the driving dunk. Y'all see this. Now at 98 overall, this is why I say he's at his full potential. You get to unlock the Russell Westbrook dunk packages, the Zach LaVine dunk packages, the windmills and hella side arm tomahawks, and just the damn near the great dunks. You feel me? So right at 98 overall is when he gets to be literally like damn near unstoppable. Now I have an 82 mid-range, an 81 3-ball. Now I do have a jump shot boost on my shooting, so I guess you could say +5 on this, or some people might say that it doesn't have a plus attribute when you use the jump shot boost. But what are you using jump shot boost if it doesn't add to your jump shot? So bitch, I'm just going to say that it adds +5. So I'm going to say that it has like I have like an 84 85 3-ball. You feel me? With like an 85 86 mid-range. My pass accuracy is an 81. My ball handle is a 73. Now me, honestly, preferably, I only need a 70 ball handle just so I can have the pro dribble moves. I don't need one of these. I don't need the ball handle to be 90, 86 so you can speed boost, hold your dick around the court, all that little weird shit. I don't have time for that. So 70 ball control, pro dribble moves, and y'all gonna see, well, y'all seen in the mixtape how my nigga was moving, how he was getting down, how he was dunking, how he was damn near doing everything in the game just with these little stats right here. Now my interior defense is 68, so I can hold my own in the paint with people that's damn near my size and basically almost smaller, of course, because 68 interior defense, a lot of people aren't even going to be able to match that kind of shit. Now you see I have a 79 strength. Now when I get 98, I have a 77 speed, a 73 acceleration, a 80 strength, a 77 vert, and then a 98 8 stamina or whatever. But I don't think I've actually even did my workout for the week to add the +3 and the +4 to all my physicals, so I just leave it at that. But my lateral quickness is a 67, my steals a 71, my block and my offensive rebound I really didn't touch, only because if you're in the right position on this game to get rebounds in general, your offensive rebound does not matter. And the block, you're going to get blocks no matter what, as long as you can time your triangle and your jump button the right way when you're trying to dictate when he's at the top of the peak of a layup or a dunk or whatever it may be, you feel me? So you don't really need no block and no offensive rebounding in this game, you feel me? So if you one of those people that just want to be able to do it all, you want to be able to shoot a little bit, defend, you want to be able to get to the rack, and you also want to be an elite scorer all around the court, this is the build for you. So right here, I'm just showing y'all all the little attributes and shit. Now we're gonna go straight to the badges. Now my badges are maxed out. It took me approximately probably like a month, only because I was off and on this game, so probably like a month and a half to get all of these badges and maxed out completely. Now we're gonna go straight to the finishing badges. Now these finishing badges right here, to me, are the best ones in the game, especially for small forwards, and especially with the way the layup system and the inside game works in this game with this year. So consistent finisher is on silver, contact finisher is on silver, giant slayer is on silver, and I put giant slayer on silver just due to the simple fact if I have to lay up on somebody that's 6'8 or 6'9, I am 6'7, so the minute that a person has 1 inch over you, giant slayer becomes effective, and you feel me? So it might even activate against guards or people that is your height. Even if they're equivalent to your height, giant slayer is going to activate. So you want to be able to be the best finisher at the rack possible. You get 10 finishing badges for it. I don't need the OD on these badges. I don't need 15, 20, 30 finishing badges to get the job done. 10 is just right up my alley. So consistent finisher, contact finisher, giant slayer, relentless finisher, and slithery finisher. You feel me? That I'm telling y'all seen the mixtape, y'all seen the beginning of the video, so y'all see what my boy get into. Now for the shooting badges, here is what makes this build the most demigod best build on this game to me personally. But y'all know I don't drop no videos or no builds for y'all that I didn't already dissect and use day in and day out for myself. So shooting badges, catching shooters on silver. Now sometimes I might fluctuate if I'm doing one-on-one with somebody in my court and have my difficult shots, just so I can have my difficult shots activate and take them off balance shots, because this year difficult shots doesn't really work how I did in 19. So I just kind of put this on bronze sometimes if I do need it, if I don't, but majority of the time I just put it on catch and shoot, because I'm a catch and shoot person. I sit in the corner, I sit on the arcs, I just shoot the ball. My job when I get on the fives court or pro-am or in general when I play this game and use this character is to put the ball in the basket, and as simple as that. So catch and shoot is on silver, corner specialist is on silver, dead eyes on silver, green machine is on Hall of Fame. You need the biggest green light window possible, bro. You need to be able to shoot this ball, and I do actually shoot with no meter off, so this nigga's damn near lights out. He shoots like 55, 56 from the 3-point line. Hot zone hunter is on gold. Quick draw, a lot of people might use Hall of Fame, but Hall of Fame tends to be too quick for me, and I feel like it's just a waste of an attribute point. So I just use quick draw on gold with my jump shot, because I get my jump shot off in quick enough time so the defenders can't even contest it or damn near block it. Range extenders on Hall of Fame, that's self-explanatory. You need to be able to shoot the balls further from the basket as possible with the most accuracy. So range extenders on Hall of Fame, you feel me? So on to the playmaking badges. Playmaking badges, I tell myself every time I make a build, if I'm going to make a build, I only need 6 to 9 playmaking badges. I only need 2 gold badges, damn near 3 gold badges. Now, since this is an elite Carmelo Anthony prime scoring build, quick first step has to be on gold. You need to be quick as possible to make up for the lack of speed. For you to have a 79 speed, you need quick first step to make up for that lack of speed against defending opponents. Space creator, self-explanatory, improves the player ability to create space from a defender. You get ankle breakers with space creator, and you get ankle breakers with tight handles. Ankle breaker does not work whatsoever this year in this game. If you're a playmaker and you have all extra badges, then this is when you throw this on. But if you're just somebody that's just want to create space, break ankles a little bit, all you need is space creator, tight handles, and I believe somebody told me Is it actually on here? No, I don't think it is. Yeah, well, tight handles and Space Creator or your ankle breaker animation ass badges, you feel me? So I just rock out with them 3 because I don't really need a lot. So that's my non-playmaking. Now for my defensive, I only have 5. Now me personally, I only need clamps on gold. And I love chase down artists. Like, a lot of people might use a lot of these badges pickpocket. You're gonna get steals regardless. It's time your steals right. Intimidators, I feel like that's cool. If I would have had 7 badges or even 6, I would have put Intimidator on. Interceptor doesn't work for shit. Moving truck, big man shit. The rebound chaser, that's just if you have access badges. But if you're limited to like 5 to damn near 7 badges, I would just use clamps because you need the best perimeter defense possible. You don't want to be getting cooked up top. You don't want to be a liability on defense. So clamps on gold is a mandatory essential badge. Chase down artists, that shit is self-explanatory. If a nigga got you beat and he feel like he got you beat, chase him down, you feel me? So I just use chase down artists on silver, and chase down artists on silver does its justice. So now, since we're done with that, I can show you guys my actual animations, and I will drop a face creation for him later on, probably in a week or whatever. If y'all get this video to like 20-30 likes, I'll drop a face creation, and then I'll drop a gameplay on top of that for y'all. Now my jump shot is Jimmy, and I'm gonna get to that later. Well, matter of fact, since I fuck with y'all so heavy, I'm gonna go straight to the jump shot, because a lot of people gonna be like, what's the jump shot? Let me see the jump shot. So I'm gonna show y'all the jump shot first, and then I'm gonna go to the animation. So my jump shot is named Jimmy, right? And I don't know why it's Jimmy, it's just shit short for jumper, fuck it. So I have jump shot base 98, which have the biggest green light window in the game to me, but in the game for me, like this is my opinion, this is the best jump shot base in the game, jump shot 98. Then I have release 133, and I have Carmelo Anthony blend speed 70-30. You feel me? You cannot go wrong with this jump shot. I'm telling you, I shoot 62% from the field, 54-55% from the 3-point line. And mind you, it could be better than that, but I couldn't shoot with no meter, and I couldn't shoot on this game for like the first 4 or 5 months on this game. So if I was actually great at the game in the beginning of the year as I am right now, I could damn near shoot like 70% from damn near both of the 3-point line and from the field, you feel me? So we're gonna get straight into my animations right now. As y'all just seen the jump shot, and I told y'all what it is. It's 98, 133, and Carmelo Anthony blend speed 70-30. Free throw, well, right now I don't even really gotta go through all of this. Y'all can read for yourself, but these are the best animations for this build that I think, with my opinion. A lot of people might have different dribble styles or size of packages or crossovers that they feel as though works for them best. So this suits that, just put on what works for you, you feel me? But for Diamond Hover 215, this is what the best Carmelo Anthony animations are for me, you feel me? So I'm just gonna scroll through these just so y'all can see what it is. Now, like I told y'all, when y'all hit 98 overall, and you get the 80 the 80 driving dunks and shit, you're gonna see in the next video that I drop that I'm gonna actually have Russell Westbrook, Zach LaVine, straight arm tomahawk, switcheroos, all that kind of shit. But as of right now, I just got little dunks. He still be getting freaky at the rack. It's nothing crazy, you feel me? He's just an all-around scorer. As long as he can dunk the ball and get burnt, and he's not scared to attack the basket, that's all that matters, you feel me? So that's all for my Carmelo Anthony build. If this shit helped y'all in any way, shape, or form, and if y'all like the mixtape in the beginning, make sure that y'all smash that like button, and make sure that you like and subscribe. It's your boy Diamond fucking Hover, man. I'm out this bitch, man. Let's get it.